national capital. 19 Delhi AQI stations show AQI at severe mark. This is the air quality index that we are speaking of. Less than 48 hours after the GRAP 3 curbs had been lifted, Delhi air quality now reaches severe levels yet again. Delhi's Rohini, Chandni Chowk, Dwarka remain under severe category. Just to name some among the few stations, 19 stations, in fact, if we are to be specific, that have been identified being in the severe category on the air quality index as we speak. Now, this is concerning viewers as we speak, given that the GRAP 3 measures, remember, had been lifted just 48 hours ago. And it was being considered as a slight respite for Delhiites, for the residents in the national capital region. But the situation seems to be back to square one at this given point, with air quality index yet again reaching the severe mark for 19 stations across the NCR. Among them is Rohini, Chandni Chowk and Dwarka. These are some major pockets, residential areas as we speak, places which see heavy footfall by people. And this is a situation, or rather this is a crisis that Delhi has been grappling with, not just year after year, but this year there's been a lot of debate with regards to whether GRAP 3 should be implemented. There has been a delay initially in the GRAP 3 implementation, and now we had seen that just 2 days ago, 48 hours ago as we speak, the GRAP 3 restrictions had been lifted again, showing as the air quality index had shown some respite to the Delhi. It's bringing in slight hope of better air quality conditions, but it remains to be quite a dream at this given point in the very national capital as we speak, given that this still is the condition of the air quality. That is, it remains in the severe category. When we speak of severe category, it's over the 300 mark. Remember, it's between 300 to 400, which is why it is extremely concerning. Remember, when GRAP 3 had been implemented, there were policies that had been issued by the government wherein 50% private offices were to work on work from home policies. Schools were also asked to go into hybrid mode. And then after lifting the GRAP 3 restrictions, it had been seen that everything was coming back to normalcy, but that only remained just for 2 days. Now, no respite for Delhiites as we speak, as this very toxic air and that blanket of toxic air continues to, in fact, completely shroud over the national capital, even as the government rolls back stricter pollution curbs. Now, GRAP 3 has been revoked, but the air remains firmly in the danger zone, which is why just a day after the GRAP 3 was lifted, Delhi's AQI has jumped again, slipping deeper into the very poor category, and now GRAP 3 seems to be implemented again. Delhi's AQI has swung from 370, remember, on November 22nd to a peak of 391 on November 23rd, before easing slightly on the following days. After dipping to, however, 327 on November 26th, pollution has surged again to 385 on Friday. That's the very graph that you can follow on our screens to understand how the AQI, that is the air quality index, has acted over the last week. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party has now accused the BJP-led centre and the LG of mishandling the very pollution crisis. In fact, former Environment Minister of Delhi, Gopal Rai from the Aam Aadmi Party, has alleged that GRAP was revoked even as AQI was rising, and has questioned the credibility of the official air quality data. Let's quickly take a look at the reactions that have come into the story so far.
जब प्रदूषण का स्तर AQI का लेवल कल कम था, तब GRAP 3 लागू था। आज AQI का लेवल बढ़ गया और GRAP 3 हटा दिया गया। मंत्री अपने कमरों में बैठे हुए हैं। पूरे दिल्ली के अंदर कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट पे नियमों की धज्जियां उड़ाई जा रही हैं, डस्ट पोल्यूशन हो रहा है। मंत्री कभी विजिट करने नहीं गए, कोई कार्रवाई नहीं हुई आज की डेट तक।
Amit Bhardwaj joins us on the broadcast at this point to bring us the latest details. Amit, firstly, I think you would probably be somewhere around Akshardham. Correct me if I'm wrong. So you do tell us where you are currently, and also what the air quality index is like where you are currently at, because remember, 19 stations, we were just telling our viewers, has again reported severe AQI after the GRAP 3 restrictions had been lifted in the national capital, probably again leading to the GRAP 3 being implemented in the national capital region.
Shreya, let's cut to pictures first for our viewers to understand as to what has happened in the past 48 hours. You had the GRAP restrictions in place, and the moment you had a few hours of good, the air quality index coming down, GRAP 3 restrictions were revoked. The picture that's coming from the national capital at this point in time requires you, as the moment you step out of your home, to use N95 masks, because that is the only way you can protect yourself and your family at this point in time, given the condition that the temperatures have dipped. There's fog and smog which has taken over the sky of the national capital. That's Akshardham Temple, and the entirety of the area around Akshardham Temple is completely covered in thick layer of mixture of fog and smog. Because if you look at the IMD forecast, it was pretty much indicating towards dip in the temperature, which anyway worsens this air pollution problem. Now, sticking to data, is Delhi the only city which is choking at this point in time? Noida is in severe category. Greater Noida is nearing towards severe category. Ghaziabad is above 350, which is very poor category, and Gurugram is also in very poor category. What's more concerning for the national capital is that you have 19 stations at this point in time. Almost half of the AQI stations installed in Delhi are showing severe category of air quality index, which means that air pollution has worsened within 48 hours of the GRAP restrictions being revoked. Now the question is, why there was hurry in revoking the GRAP 3 restrictions? Possibly the answer is only with the authorities. Back to you.
Thank you for bringing us all those details from Akshardham at this point. And viewers, yes, as my colleague has mentioned, whatever the condition be in terms of the GRAP implementation, N95 masks continue to be a necessity in the national capital whenever one is stepping out, given the worsening AQI. With that, let me quickly take you through a ground report that's been brought by our colleague Himanshu Mishra from the India Gate now.
इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं कर्तव्य पथ पर। मेरे ठीक पीछे आप देखिए इंडिया गेट है, लेकिन थोड़ा फॉग है और थोड़ा स्मॉग है, पोल्यूशन है, जिसकी वजह से इंडिया गेट बिल्कुल भी नजर नहीं आ रहा। दूसरी तरफ राष्ट्रपति भवन है। राष्ट्रपति भवन के तो हम बेहद करीब हैं, लेकिन स्मॉग ने उसको भी पूरी तरीके से ढक के रखा है। अगर हम ओवरऑल दिल्ली के AQI की बात करें तो 350 के आसपास AQI दिल्ली का बना हुआ है। जिस जगह पर हम मौजूद हैं कर्तव्य पथ, यहां से जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम की दूरी तकरीबन 6 किलोमीटर है और वहां का AQI 400 के पार पहुंच गया है। और इतनी ही दूरी ITO की है 6 किलोमीटर करीब, वहां पर AQI 396 पॉइंट है, यानी 400 के करीब करीब पहुंचा हुआ है वो भी। इससे समझा जा सकता है कि दिल्ली की हवा कितनी खतरनाक है। वैसे भी आपकी जिस तरफ नजर जाएगी ये ओपन इलाका है। अगर आप देखेंगे इंडिया गेट का ये पूरा पार्क है, ये ओपन इलाका है। यहाँ पर किस तरीके से स्मॉग ने इस पूरे इलाके को कवर करके रखा हुआ है, आसानी से समझा जा सकता है।